Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change the regulator on this Nissan Versa. So if your Versa look like this, it's going to be the same procedure of changing the window regulator. And guys, I know there's noise in the background, but I'm going to be talking loud enough so you guys can hear me. And also, this is the regulator. This is for the driver door. So it said FR for front, and then the door, and then the LH for left hand. So that's the part number. Let's get started. First, we're gonna need to remove the door panel, and I also have tape securing the window up top. So whichever way you need to secure your window, you can use tape like I did, or you can just have somebody hold it if it's more than one of you guys doing this job. So let's get started. We're gonna need to remove this switch right here, and also this back here, this cover back here we're gonna need to remove, and also we're gonna need to remove this clip right here, and that will make sure the door facing will come out. I don't think nothing else holding this one. It's a 2021. So what we need a flathead screwdriver to just get back here. We're going to do it from the soft side. Get in the groove, pry it up, and then you want to work your way right around. So as you can see, I use the flathead screwdriver to get right here, pry that up. You can see it lift up, so just work your way around. And you can hold on to it, lift up on it. So now you're gonna see you have one 10mm right here, or a Phillips screw, whichever you want to use. But for the window switch, we want to unplug it. So by just squeeze this right here, that will come off. Same thing right here, you squeeze this part, that will come off. And then you want to squeeze this part right here. Once you squeeze this part, you pull on it, and it will come off also. Next, what we're gonna do is get this in here and pry on this while pulling on this to get this out. And there's another 10mm back there. Now you can see that 10mm right here, 10mm right there. This clip, flathead screwdriver, get up under there. Take that out. So we got our 10mm. So take that off. So these, you don't want to mix them up because they have two different threads. So make sure you remember where these go to. So the black one gonna go down here, right there, because they have two different threads. So the black one go down here, and this one with the finer thread goes at the top right there. So now we need to find an opening where your finger can go. Find one down here, and we're gonna pull on it from this way. So once we pull that off, We want to come back here, and then we will take this off as well. So these, they have two different ends, one for the handle and one for the lock part, but as you guys see, it's two different parts, so they won't get mixed up anyway. So that's good. So guys, now that we are here, now the reason why this the regulator is damaged, it's because of it looked like there was a bullet and it come through here. So they fixed the door, but they didn't fix the window regulator. So the bullet break the cable. You can see it come through there, come through here, and that's why you could see that's why you can see that something was in the door and it got like maybe lotion or something. You can see the bullet all went through there, went through right here, break that right here. So that's why it's nothing to do with Nissan on this one. So guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the tape from the window and lower the window down a little bit. So the reason why the window go down like that is because, alright, so I'll connect this to make you hear. You can hear the motor working, so the motor is good and the regulator is bad. So we just need to lower it down so we can get access to this right here, because there's a 10mm that go right there and another one going to go back here. So guys, you just want to peel this back a little bit. I can just take it up, stick it right here, bring the window up so you can get that right there, 10mm. So guys, I got a bird beak or a needle nose, whichever you call it, and I'm gonna go through here, take this out. Now we can bring the window all the way back to the top. So we'll bring the window back to the top. Have these to hold it right there. And now we're gonna take out the window regulator. Also, we have to unhook the clip, so squeeze that right there, pull back on it, and this is what I squeeze right here, guys, at the back. So the next thing we're gonna do is 10mm. And then this one right here, we're not gonna take it all the way, we're just gonna take it out a little bit. Then we can unhook this like that. And then take it out through this. We're just gonna take it out through this little hole. So that's what happened. So guys, the motor is still good, and this we're gonna need to take it off. gonna be T25 torque, and you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 that you need to take off. Alright, so we're just gonna lower it down. So just separate it. So this is the motor. This is the regulator. So you just want to make sure that line up like that. You don't have to worry about putting it the wrong way because it can only go one way. So if you put it the wrong way, all three screw won't line up. So you gotta put it the right way, like that. So you want to take the screw from the first one, put it over here. So same way you take it out the other one, same way you're gonna put it in. And then you're just gonna hook this 10mm right here. And now we just gotta catch the rest of the and guys, I think I set it the wrong way, because if you set it the wrong way it won't line up properly. So that's good to know. I gotta take it back out, flip it around, and so you guys can see. So this, so it gotta go. So we gotta take this one from here, put it over here. And now you can see I got it set right. Alright, so once you have that set, you're just gonna put these back. So now it's time to lower the glass. So once we lower the glass, we just got to move it around to get it at the right spot, just like that. I'm gonna get our 10mm. And then we want to get the 10mm for the other side as well. So guys, at this point of the work, you want to double check your work to make sure everything is going good and you don't leave any bolt loose. That's gonna rattle when you close the door. So this is tighten, that is catch and tighten as well. This one is tightened, this one is tightened, this one is tightened, this one is tightened, and this one is tightened. So now we can start sealing up the door since we have everything. And we can check the door, check the window, make sure it's work before we put on the door panel. Alright, so we good, we're in business. So we got this, guys. We're gonna go ahead and clip it in. Get that in. Put that in right there. And then you want to make sure you have your wires come back through here. So you want to make sure once you hook this, the clips line up, and then you can just give it a light tap, send it on. We're gonna change this, but since we haven't got that part yet, just putting it back together so the customer can go driving and they can come back and change it whenever they want to or whenever they get the parts. So guys, just try it one more time just to make sure everything is good. Alright, everything seems fine. This is tight, and also remember that one with the fine thread go at the top, the coarse thread go at the bottom with the fillet head. And that's it for this one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, guys. See you next time. And also check out my other videos on the channel, and also there's link in the description down below where you can get the parts and the tools. You can use my Amazon link and search for the tools and parts there, and also you can support the channel with PayPal, Cash App, and that's it. Peace out.